surds. Wortelforme. Okay. So like we had exponent rules, we quickly going to talk about a few surd rules. Die eerste een is wanneer ons hulle vermenigvuldig of deel. So when you're multiplying, if you're multiplying and both of the roots have the same form, or both of the surds have the same form, then you can just multiply the two things in the surd with one another. Okay? Selfde met as ons deel. So as ek het dit like that. We're going to practice a few of them now. Okay, when it comes to reducing surds, your best friend will be your calculator here. So even if it says do without using a calculator, you can check yourself on your calculator. So die reël lyk so. If I have something like that, okay, I can do the inverse. I can do the inverse of this top one and split it up into two, which I can then just write as A root B. Want onthou vierkantswortel en 'n kwadraat is mos teenoorgesteldes van mekaar. So kom ons kyk byvoorbeeld na so iets. Type that in on your calculator. Good. So how did they get that? They said that I can write this as a product of a complete square and something. What's a complete square? It's like when I say 4 squared. What is that? Oh, 4 squared. 16, né? Of 5 kwadraat is 25. It's all of those that you know. So it's like 36, 25, 100, 64, 16. All of those that we know is a whole integer squared. So I can write 128 as 64 times 2. Okay? And 64 is a complete square. Dit is 'n volkome vierkant. Wat is die vierkantswortel van 64? So then you can just write that as that. And I'm going to give you a few of those to practice for homework. Okay, and then adding surds is a bit weird, but I'm going to do that with you anyway. It's almost like when you're adding x's together. So x plus x is mos 2x. As long as it has the same surd form and the same thing under the surd, then you're fine. Just going to do 2 examples with you guys. Yeah. Okay, I'm not multiplying, I'm not dividing, so I can't simply put them under the same cert. But what I can do is I can go and reduce all of those. So ek kan hulle almal gaan skryf as 'n ander soort wortelvorm. Okay, so as jy dink aan die getal 18, kan jy dink aan 'n volkome vierkant maal iets wat vir jou 18 gee. So you're talking about, can, let's say 4 times something give you 18? No? Well, 2 is not a complete square. Okay? So 4 is mos die eerste ene. Then can 9 times 18, 9 times something give you 18? 9 times 2. Stem julle saam? Okay? Kom ons kyk na 8. Kan 'n volkome vierkant maal iets vir jou 8 gee? Smallest one we have is 4. Can 4 times something give you 8? Yes, 4 times 2, right? Okay? And for 50? Ooh, 25 times 2. So in elkeen van hierdie gevalle kan ek daai ene eintlik onder die vierkantswortel gaan uithaal en ek kan sê hierdie kan ek skryf as 3 wortel 2 minus 2 wortel 2 plus 5 wortel 2. But you need to show me this step. So you can go and check this step on your calculator. But you need to show me that middle step. Okay, and now all of those can be seen as like terms. So julle almal het 'n wortel 2 in. So ek kan sê 3 minus 2 plus 5 gee vir my 6 wortel 2. Last one. Stem julle saam, ek besig om te deel en altyd daai wortels is dieselfde. Altyd van hulle is gewone vierkantswortels. So I can put them together like this. And that I can simplify. And that is equal to half.